Hello guys, in this tutorial we are going to learn about how to set up the Laravel and Vuejs on a local environment. So let's start the today's tutorial. First open your favorite browser and just type Laravel installation on Windows. So you will see the first installation link. So just click on that link. Then you will see the official documentation of the Laravel, and at the right side corner you will see the different versions are available from 4.2 to 8.0. So we are going to install the 5.6 version because after the installation of the Laravel project it will automatically generate the component directory or directory structure for the Vue JS. So because of this reason we are going to install the 5.6 version. So there are some requirements of the Laravel. So first requirement is PHP. We need PHP greater than or equals to 7.1. So if you have already installed the PHP, then just check out the version of it. Also we require NPM, Node.js and Composer. So I will add the installation link of the three requirements in the description box. So you will see or you will check out that link and just install that requirements. Okay, I have already installed the Node.js and NPM, so I will check the version of it. So just I am opening the git bash here. I'm checking the version of the Node.js. So I have installed Node.js 14 version. Also will check NPM version. So I have installed NPM version 6. Also we require Composer. So we need to install, or first we need to download from its official website. So just type getcomposer.org. I will add this link in the description box, so you will go through that link. So you need to download this composer setup exe file. So I'm just clicking on that setup file. So your downloading is done. So under the download directory I have downloaded this composer setup file. So just click on the setup file, click on a run. So it will start the running or installing. So install for all users. Then click on next. Here you will see the directory where we want to install the composer, so we'll keep it as it is. Just click on next. Then proxy setting, just click on next and then click on install button. Yes, our installation is done. Just click on finish. I'm just reopening the git bash. And just typing composer. Yes, our composer installation is done. Here you will see the composer version 2.1 that we have installed. Okay. So we'll set up the Laravel project. So we install the Laravel using composer. So for that we need to download the Laravel installer first. So I'm just copying this command. But before that we need to create one directory structure for our project. So I'm opening my XAMPP directory because I have installed the XAMPP server. So I'm just opening my XAMPP directory, and in the XAMPP directory you will see the htdocs directory, and under that htdocs directory we need to create one directory for our project. So I'm just creating one new directory, giving the name as a Laravel Vue project. So our project directory is created. So here we need to install the Laravel project. So I am opening here. And just copying. I have already copied that command, that is Laravel installer, and just I'm pasting it here. Just click on enter. Yes, our composer or Laravel installation with the help of composer is done. We need to create the project. With the help of composer. So I'm just copying this command. So with the help of composer we are creating the Laravel project. So I'm just copying this command and just pasting it here. So we need to update the project name. Here you will see the blog name, so we need to give a project name. So Laravel Vue. We are giving the small case letter, so that is Laravel So it will take a time to create the project, to install the multiple dependencies for our application. So I'm just clicking on a pause button. So here we have installed the Laravel project successfully. Here you will see the application key is also generated. So let me check the project directory that we have created. So that is Laravel Vue. Yes, we need to here we need to install the NPM because we require the multiple packages and libraries that we have required for our application. So we need to install the NPM here in our project directory. So I'm typing the command that npm install. So it will automatically install all the required dependencies for our application. So here you will see our npm installation is done. We need to install Vuejs. So I'm just typing the command npm install Vue. Just click on enter. So it will automatically install the Vuejs in our application. So here you will see Vuejs is also installed. The Vuejs version is 2.6. Then we need to run our project on a local server. So we need to start the services of our server. So I have installed the XAMPP server. So I'm just opening the XAMPP control panel and I'm starting the Apache and MySQL services to run the project on a local server. Here our services are started. For running the project, our command is php artisan serve. So here you will see the Laravel development server is started on a port number 8000. So we'll check. Also we need to build the Vuejs. So I'm just opening another terminal. here to run or to build the Vuejs. So I'm just opening here, and just for running or for building our application, command is npm run watch -poll. So it will compiles the CSS and JavaScript files, config files, and it will build the application on a development. So here our application is built successfully. We'll check on a port localhost 8000. Yes, our project is successfully installed and run on a local server. Let me show you the project directory. So I'm just opening. VS Code. So here you will see our project directory, and under the project directory you will see the resources directory. Under the resource you will see the assets, and under the assets directory you will see the JS, then CSS directory. So under the JS directory you will see the components, and under the components you will see the example component. So at the starting of the video I have already told you we have installed the Laravel version 5.6. So in the 5.6 version it will automatically create the directory structure or the component directory in our application. So this is already created. So this is very easy to create a different components in our application. So this is the example or default component in our application. In next tutorial we'll create the different components and we'll learn how to render it on our web pages. So in the next tutorial we'll see the life cycle of the Vuejs. So thank you for watching this video. We'll see you in the next tutorial. Goodbye, take care, happy coding.